Hey guys, tonight for dinner I'm going to be making some baked chicken. As you can see here, I've got a very large chicken hen here, and I've thoroughly sprinkled it with this, which tastes really good by the way, Grill Mates roasted garlic and herb seasoning. And all I'm going to do for this is put it in an oven bag and put it in this casserole dish and bake it in the oven, and it's going to come out juicy and tender and full of flavor. If I have some carrots, I'll probably put them in the bag too. If not, oh well, I'll just cook the chicken. We'll see in a sec. Okay, as you can see here, I did have some carrots, some baby ones, so I put them in there. I also put a package of chicken bouillon in there with some water so it'll be extra juicy. And I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'll let you know when it's done how long it took, but I think it's going to come out great. See you in a bit. Okay, just took the chicken out of the oven, took it out of the bag, which I've discarded. Here, you can see it's nice and juicy, but it's not quite done. I went ahead and cut it up. I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So, cooking time will be an hour. Okay guys, 15 more minutes and everything is done. It's all the way cooked through and ready to be served on the plates. And here you see the plates are served. I made some white rice on the side, so we've got baked chicken, carrots, and rice. There's a little plate right there, but yum.